Alright, triangle ABC, which is isosceles, because it says AB and AC are equal, so let's draw that. Right, so if AB and AC are equal, we know that this vertex angle has to be A, so then BC would be the legs. Alright, so this side's 13, and this side's 13, and BC is 10. Alright, so it says find the length of the altitude from A. Alright, well, I was asked to go over C, but real quick, to do A, you just split that, and that altitude is going to create two right triangles, and this is a Pythagorean triple, 5, 12, 13, so that would be 12. Alright, but it wants us, and then to find the measures of the angles, you could then, just to do B real quick, you could do the tangent of angle B is equal to 12 over 5, and then to find angle B, that would be the tangent inverse of 12 over 5, and type that in the calculator and you'd get that angle, which is equal to that angle, and then once you know those two, you could subtract them from 180 to find the third angle. Alright, so just wanted to do that real quick because sometimes you need that information to find C, or to find part C. Alright, so now we're looking in part C, we're looking for the length of the altitude from C. So that would be this right here. Alright, now I think we need that angle B, in order to figure this out. So if you just remember everything I just erased, to figure out this angle, alright, let me just highlight it in a different color here. To figure out this angle, we can use this information here, and we know that the cosine of angle B is equal to 5 over 13. So angle B is equal to the cosine inverse of 5 over 13. Alright, so I'll type that into my calculator. Alright, so this comes out to 67.3 degrees, or like 67.4 degrees. I'll round up there. Okay, so now I know this angle is 67.4 degrees. Alright, so now I have a right triangle here, where I know if I use angle B, I know my adjacent leg would be 10. And, oh no, it's my hypotenuse, sorry, because it's across from 90 degrees. And this would be the opposite leg of 67.4. So to find that altitude from C, we could do the sine of 67.4 degrees is equal to opposite, which is what we're looking for, this leg right here, over hypotenuse, 10. Alright, and then if you type in the sine of that angle, 67.4 degrees, and then cross multiply with 10, you get that x is 9.23. So that would be the length of this altitude right here.